Hi everyone, welcome to Scrappittarius on YouTube. I have this outgoing swap to share with you today. What you just saw was my outgoing swap for Darshana in the US, and it arrived a few hours ago. It arrived last night, and I'm so excited to share with you. This was part of Color Swap 2021, which was hosted by Bhumika of Bhumika Snail Mail on Instagram. And so all of us who took part in the challenge, we had a color assigned to us, and we had to build our mail around that color. And we could pick the color, so it was not necessarily a color that the recipient really it was not like their favorite color, but Bhumika made sure that none of us got a color that we absolutely did not like. Okay, so yeah, I am yet to receive my incoming swap, and hopefully I'll share that once I've received it. Yeah, I just have some wax sealing going on in the background because I just happened to have the camera around when I was making some wax seals for this mail. I didn't have orange wax beads, so I tried to work with related colors, other colors from the mail. And yep, so that's the mail I made for Darshana. This is another of those potuckelopes, or the pentagon pocket, and yeah, the rest of it pretty much explains itself. I think I'm just going to play some music. Of course, I wrote Darshana a letter. I always write a letter when I'm sending a swap out, and in fact when I receive swaps, I really appreciate if there's a note. I do understand that not everyone likes writing long letters, but I feel it's very important that you at least write a note just to personalize it. It means a lot to me, so I always make sure to add this when I'm sending a swap out. And that's the paper. This paper is from We Are Memory Keepers. It was in my stash. I don't think they have it available anymore. Not even able to remember the name of the collection, but double-sided papers work really well with this pentagon pocket. So I'm glad I had this, and I'm glad I had it in orange, which worked really well. And yes, this is what I could coordinate with orange from my stash. There were things I ordered for this mail specifically, but from two different stores, but as it happened, they did not reach on time, and I couldn't include them because I didn't want to miss the swap deadline. So Darshana, if you're watching, I'm sorry I couldn't include more goodies, but I hope you like your mail, and I hope it made you smile. I'm showing you these tiny envelope templates that I made for this mail. I didn't fold or seal them, just wanted to leave them open in case Darshana wanted to use them as templates. And yep, a few paper clips, and they go into these tiny hidden pockets. So on the back, I added a large vellum pocket. The pentagon pocket style that you see on YouTube, like the tutorials, they usually don't do anything with the back. They just leave it blank. But I feel like that's a good place to either attach a large envelope for your letter, or a paper bag for your letter, or more goodies, or like here you can add a large pocket to hold a bunch of things. So I have this bookmark that I made her, some tags, letter paper, more stickers. Okay, so that's all for this mail, this outgoing swap to Darshana. And I'm just so happy to report that it arrived safely. The envelope was not tampered with, and the envelope decoration also made it through the journey. That's amazing to know, especially in these times. Thank you everyone for joining me today. Please stay tuned for more snail mail inspiration. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you again in my next video. Bye bye.